How's it going, YouTube? Today I picked this up. It's a Diamond Tool Horseshoe Company. It's a auto wrench. It's not really in bad shape. Very minimal rust. Let's see. Looks like it was never used. The jaw is perfect still. I'm gonna show off. I'm gonna restore this. See what it looks like. It shouldn't be hard. I'm gonna show off my other Diamond tools. They were started in 1908 as they made horseshoes, and in the 20s they started making tools. And they stayed in business till 1994. These are interesting. Like a battery top plier. Slip joints. This is some groove joint pliers. I put some, I forget what that's, the plastic did. I'm not going to do that again. So this one I painted. I think I'm going to do the same color on the wrench. If you find them with the green handles still on them, means they were took care of pretty good. It's like all the pliers in the later days came with the green handles. It's probably my favorite. It's needle nose, the spring. I still use these. So yeah, I'm gonna get to this. Show her what she looks like afterwards. Alright, fast forward a couple hours. And I got it, all the rust removed. Didn't do a perfect job because didn't want to ruin the finish on this. So it's got some scuffs out of it. But looks a lot better. Got this great color. It's no longer made. But yeah, that's all I got. Subscribe.